Hello, hi, it's Liz here and it's Sunday, so it's WhatNot day. So we have the little WhatNot book out. It's filling up really nicely. Last week we did some bunting, so we're still on triangles and we'll do something for this page. So it's number 21. 21, key of the door. Never been 21 before. So we'll just cut our 2-inch squares. These are just two little pieces of nicely patterned paper. You can obviously use anything that you want. Two little scraps, and we're just going to cut right across, diagonally across the middle. So we will need 2 squares for this project. And we are going to make a little patchwork pocket for the next page. So that's all the cutting that we're really going to do. And so I've got my 4 triangles and I have a piece of scrap card which came with some packaging, and we're just going to patchwork this straight on. So this is 2 inches by 4 inches, so the 4 triangles should fit exactly onto here. So let's just get this all glued up so we can cover it in glue for our triangles to go on. So it doesn't really matter which one we put on, so we're straight onto the edges. You could make them all different or make them all matching or whatever you fancy. I'm just going to do one of one and then one of the other. And I have glue everywhere already. There we are. So that's us. Let's get the book back. Make sure this is just going to fit nicely across the page. So if your page is longer, obviously you can do a 3rd square, or you can do a bit, a half and a half, and make it a bit. This just fits by luck exactly across there. So let's see if we want to decorate it up a little bit. Of course you could stitch round, or you could use a pen to go round the edge. I'm just going to add a little bit of decoration. So I've got a few bits here and a circle punch for a little notch and a little butterfly. So that's all I'm going to use. Little scrap of ribbon, maybe folded over, just like that, and then we'll put that on the top. Yep, that'll do me. A little mini 3-piece collage. And I think that went somewhere there. Now before I go any further, I'm going to do my notch in the middle. There we are. And this, I think I am going to staple that on. Oh, stapler was in a, I've got a little wooden thing that, like a carousel that goes round, and it's in beside something that didn't want to let it go. There we are. And this little butterfly, I think I'm going to take that square foam square off. I don't want it quite as bulky as that. And then we'll just put that there. Not especially to cover the staple, but it's just in the right spot. Oh, I think I'm going to have to get the big boys out. I don't know what I was thinking, because glue stick was never going to hold on fabric. That's for sure. Right. There we are. That's quite cute. So let's get our book over and put the pocket. We don't need that, we don't need that. So I want to glue the 3 sides, not the side with the notch. There we are. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I've got a wee tickle. Right. Right to the bottom. There. Now, we want that to take hold. And I have a little tag for in there that matches. Choose happy, and I've stamped a little handmade art, and I gave it a little bit of a distress ink around the edge because it's a modern tag, and I think I just wanted to make it look a little bit more vintagey, and I think that is really cute. And I'm just wondering if I want a little butterfly just to offset now that I'm looking at it at the last minute. Do I want a little tiny one over here? I think I do. Let me just take that off. Oh, whoops. Yeah. That's cute. Oh, I thought that was a wee bug there. It's a wee bit of black thread. Right. So we've got a nice tag and a nice little WhatNot pocket. 4 triangles, or as many triangles as you need for your page. So that's it today. Quick, super easy. I'm not sure that we'll do triangles again next week. Triangles is quite tricky, and I was going to do triangles that were like a little tuck spot or something, but it really is just the same. Although they're all glued down in just corner protectors, it really just would be the same, and I don't want them to get too samey. So I think maybe next week we'll go rectangles. What do we think? Maybe long narrow rectangles. I think there's a few things we could do with that shape. Still be quick and easy. Anyway, thanks for joining me today. If you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.